What's up, guys? Treemonk here, and we're gonna go biking. Now let's go. Whoa! Sorry, my driveway looks like crap. We're gonna be going biking. Yay! Woo! I'm a good biker. I'm standing up right now. I love biking. So yeah, shout out to Chicken, the best person ever. My favorite friend on Meta right now, and the best monkey. And I'm also hungry right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show you my route. We're just gonna go down here. I'm basically doxing myself. Okay, that's a giant wasp. Okay, yep, I'm speeding up because of adrenaline. I'm super scared of wasps. Yeah, we going. All right, we're just gonna go down here. Woo! Yo, this is Treemonk IRL, bro. I'm way too white, bro. I don't know. Apparently, I should be tan. I don't know. I'm probably gonna get a tan today. I'm gonna go fishing after this, maybe. But yeah. Also, shout out to Fox. Fox is like one of my favorite people. Okay. If you see my face in this video, I can't really see where I'm recording. But if you can see my face on this video, then I'm gonna have to delete it. But yeah, I hope I don't have to delete this video. Actually, it's okay if you see my face. I don't know. I'm also shirtless right now. I don't know if that's even illegal. Yo, should I do face reveal right now? Face reveal. Oh, look at these workers. Hey! We're going downhill, guys. Woo! Woo! Oh! I'm going so fast right now. Woo! I love recording me biking. I have so much energy right now. I want to crash myself into a car. I don't know why. I don't know why I said that. Sorry, you guys. Oh, I just ran over something. Oof. That hurt my butt really bad, but I'm standing right now. Face reveal, hi! Nerd face reveal. Okay. I thought that dude was gonna go straight towards me. I saw that dude earlier. I don't know why the heck he's in a car. Someone needs to get that guy out of a car. Now we are on the sidewalk now. Yippee! Let's go.